Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as we are moving ahead in 2025, it's my responsibility as well as it's my challenge to make you a better communicator, a better speaker of English language. And with this motto, today I have come with this 15 days vocabulary challenge. Now how you are going to do it? You just need to spare 15 days to improve your vocabulary. And mind it, the words that I'm going to tell you, these words are the words of C1 and C2 level, means the advanced level of words. So our target is to remember all these 20 words. Yes, today I will be telling you 20 words, and the purpose is to consume these 20 words and to use them within the span of 15 days. And how you're going to do it, let me tell you this plan. The way I'm going to tell you the plan, if you're going to do so, then definitely it will not be a hard nut to crack. Okay, so moving ahead with the plan. So there are going to be the two parts of this challenge. The first part is of 10 days. Yes. So in the 10 days, you need to learn one word each with any sort of help. It could be a friend, it could be yourself, it could be your diary. So first target is to use one word daily. And once you will be doing like one word each day, so by the 10th day, you will be able to learn 10 words straight away without any loss of memory. Now let's move to the second category, which is of 5 days. Now in these 5 days, you need to remember rest 10 words. Now let me tell you why I have bifurcated these 20 words like in 10 days and in 5 days. Because in 10 days, you are training your mind, you are training your memory to remember all these difficult or advanced words. And by the end of the 15th day, all those 20 words will be there in your memory and they will be the part of your vocabulary. So in the next category, you need to learn 2 words each day, and by the 5th day, you will be able to remember and using those words in your communication. And definitely these words will be there for you forever with the help of this video, and definitely with the help of one surprise that I'm going to tell you at the end of the video. So do not forget to watch this video till the last point. And if you're new to my channel, hello everyone, my name is Dr. Shruti Soni. I'm your English coach who always helps you to elevate your personality, whether it's your English language skills or your communication skills or your personality. So without wasting any time, let's get started with today's challenge. So learning these 20 words are going to be extremely entertaining. Why? Because I'm going to tell you the meaning of the word first, then going to give you 2 options, and you need to guess the correct answer in 3 seconds. And then afterwards, I'm going to give you one sample sentence as well. A little help that I can give you, that after telling you the correct answer, I'm going to give you an alternate word also for the better understanding of that intermediate word, because it is going to little bit difficult maybe for you people, but that alternative word can help you to understand the word completely, and you can use them in a right way. So let's get started with the first word. So the first word meaning is when someone has a deep understanding and insight of something. जब हम किसी चीज को बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझते हैं, what do we call that situation? And these are your 2 options. And the correct answer is perspicacious. Perspicacious. Another word, alternative word, matlab observant. Observant. When we observe something very carefully. For example, she was a perspicacious observer of human behavior. Next word. A person who is extremely interested and passionate about something. What do we call that person? These are your 2 options. It's enthusiast. Enthusiast. An alternate word for enthusiast is admirer. Admirer of something. For example, he was an enthusiast of vintage car and spent most of his free time in restoring them. Next word is something that lasts for very short time. मतलब किसी चीज की duration जब बहुत छोटी होती है, उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? So the correct answer is ephemeral. Ephemeral. For example, the firefly's glow was ephemeral as it lasts only for few seconds. Next word is when someone is particular about each and every detail and it's very difficult to make them please. मतलब किसी को खुश करना जो बहुत ज्यादा difficult हो जाता है, उस इंसान को हम क्या बोलते हैं? The answer is fastidious. Fastidious. And इसका दूसरा alternative word है perfectionist. Perfectionist. For example, she was a fastidious editor, ensuring that every detail was correct. Next word. When something or someone is mixed of different variety, जब different variety एक साथ mix हो जाती है, what do we call that thing or person? It's heterogeneous. Heterogeneous. For example, the city's population was heterogeneous as it was from the different backgrounds. Next word, and it's my favorite one, difficult to understand. When something is difficult to understand, it is inscrutable. Inscrutable. For example, his inscrutable expressions made it impossible to read his thoughts. Next word. When you feel tired and you do not have any sort of energy and enthusiasm, what do we call that particular situation? It's lassitude. Lassitude. For example, after a long hot summer, the team felt lassitude and needed a break. The next word is when something is shapeable or we can mold it as per our desire. It is malleable. Malleable. For example, the company's policy was malleable, adapting to the changes in the market. I guess next word you're going to tell me. And it is when someone deserve a praise or reward or any sort of award. It is meritorious. Meritorious. For example, the team's meritorious performance earned them a spot in the finale.
So, the meaning of next word is the quality of being frank. And the answer is candor. Alternate word is frankness. For example, I appreciate your candor in sharing your honest opinion about my proposal. It's helpful to get constructive feedback.
So here we are done with the first part of this 15 days challenge, means these 10 words you need to learn in the 10 days. Now moving to the second category, which is rest of the 10 words that you need to do in 5 days. So let's get started. So the meaning of this word is when something is unclear in meaning or vague. Well, we do not have a definite answer for it. It is nebulous. Nebulous. For example, the concept of happiness is nebulous and it varies from person to person. The next word is when someone is dishonest to you or to someone or to some situations. What do we call that particular person or situation? It is perfidious. Perfidious. For example, the company's perfidious actions towards its employees led to a major scandal. Next word is when something is able to spread or flow throughout. Means जो चीज फैल सकती है, what do we call? It is permeate. Permeate. For example, the smell of freshly baked cookies permeated in the entire house. Just imagine the situation. Like it's crazy. Next word is when you are able to read something clearly and with lot of attention. It is peruse. Peruse. For example, he perused the menu and looking for the perfect dish. Next word is when something, like for example, if you are doing some work, you are doing it with lot of carefulness and you are doing it thoroughly. It is rigorous. Rigorous. For example, the rigorous selection process of the interview ensured that only the best candidates were chosen for the final rounds. Next word is someone who is intelligent or has a good power of judgment. It is sagacious. Sagacious. For example, the sagacious investor made a fortune by predicting the market trends. Next word is when you find something by a chance, means you're not expecting something, but that thing has happened. What do we call that situation? It is serendipity. Serendipity. For example, the traveler experienced serendipity when she stumbled upon a hidden gem of a restaurant.
The next word meaning is a person who is irrational. And the answer is phonetic. Alternate word is freak. For example, since she is such a sports fanatic, this direction would be a natural one for her.
Moving to the last second word is something that is shining brightly, like very bright. It is fulgent. Fulgent. For example, the fulgent starlight cast hard shadows on the landscape below. And the last word is, and we are going to end it with a very happy note, and the word is something that is happy, playful, and you remain happy. It is frolic. Frolic. For example, a group of sun-tanned children were frolicking on the beach. So that's it for today, guys. For your better understanding, the surprise is that I have mentioned the link of the PDF of these 20 words along with their meanings and the alternative words and their sample examples in the description. You can go and click on that link and download this whole PDF for this 15 days vocabulary challenge. And now you cannot say no to this challenge. And mind you, if you're going to say no to it, okay, because it's you and it's your personality, it's your developments. So I'll see you after 15 days, and please comment down that challenge accepted, so you will keep a track on yourself and you're going to update me after 15 days. So let's get started with this challenge, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.